Hello, friends. Good evening. Adab, Sat Shri Akal. So, with the new moon coming to life yesterday, I thought let me go ahead and make a video for all the people who have been looking for a signal from the universe for on a twin flame journey. So, अगर आप twin flame journey पे हैं and you have been looking out to understand what is the road that lies ahead of you, here comes a video. Hope I'm able to give some light if you're lost in the darkness, and let's see what the video and what the message of the universe holds for you. So I'm using two decks here, one the Rider Waite and other the Mystical Wisdom. So पहले एक एक करके उठाते हैं. पहले we will go for the Rider Waite. Ten of Cups, Page of Swords, and Two of Cups. I hope the cards are clearly visible to you all. Well, the very first message is all the people who have been doing lot of inner work, especially the people on the twin flame journey, क्योंकि ये पूरा वीडियो सिर्फ ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी के लिए लोगों के लिए है जो 2-3 साल से या 3-4 साल से या कुछ महीनों से मे बी सेपरेशन में है. The good news is that it's time for you both to come close to each other. It's time for you both to come to reunion. ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी के बारे में मैं दो बातें बताना चाहूँगी. कई लोग जो सोलमेट जर्नी पे भी होते हैं वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं अपने फॉल्स ट्विन फ्लेम सिग्नल से. ट्विन फ्लेम में सबसे पहली बड़ी बात तो ये होती है कि इट इज़ जस्ट वन सोल that is into two bodies. It goes into the astral realm and gets divided into two bodies. And second thing is that both the partners, wherever on this planet they are bound to meet each other in this life, and then they get separated. The reason for separation is the spiritual awakening process that they have to undergo. Both the partners undergo a deep spiritual process. Both of them get awakened, not necessarily in the same way, but they do. But for sure, one of them is highly awakened than the other, or even both of them can be equally awakened. Third, if you want to reunite with your twin flame, then one of the most important thing is self-love. अगर आप खुद को प्यार नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप अपने ट्विन फ्लेम से कैसे यूनाइट करोगे? बिकॉज योर ट्विन फ्लेम इज़ नथिंग बट यू योर ओन सेल्फ. एज आई सेड, एक आत्मा जो ऊपर एस्ट्रल realm में जाके दो शरीरों में डिवाइड हो जाती है. और ये सिर्फ एक लाइफ का कनेक्ट नहीं होता है, ये बहुत सारे पास्ट लाइफ्स का कनेक्ट होता है. एंड फाइनली इन वन लाइफ टाइम यू मीट एंड यू डू नॉट री इनकारनेट बैक. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस अहेड. So, as I said, the good news is that reunion तो हो रहा है. For most of you, you can look forward for the month of October. The long-awaited separation is about to end. And your person, especially the divine masculine, is all set and ready to start a family with you. So, while in the process of separation, I clearly see that divine masculine has been undergoing lot of changes on a mental and an emotional level. When you both got separated, you were not even aware of, he was not even aware of what is going on in his mental body. Because when you met, you both were not aware कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे के twin flames हो. But after you got separated, as per the divine will, a different kind of journey kicked off, which involved lot of sadness, lot of changes in the emotional, mental as well as in the spiritual body. So if you talk of the changes on a mental body, situation ऐसी रही कि even though you both tried and take off your mind from each other, एक दूसरे से माइंड हटाने की पूरी कोशिश की, पर आपका हर रास्ता, हर दरवाज़ा, यूनिवर्स की हर दस्तक सिर्फ एक ही जगह जाके रुक रही थी. वो था या तो उसका नाम या तो आपके ट्विन फ्लेम से रिलेटेड कुछ. एंड यू वर कन्फ्यूज why the hell is this happening? That even though you have been trying hard to push back, but you have not been able to. The reason is God never wanted you to. God wanted you to realize that no matter what, you both are destined to be together. ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी में ये भी मैटर नहीं करता है कि एक पार्टनर मैरिड हो, या ये भी हो सकता है कि दोनों पार्टनर्स मैरिड हों, बिकॉज it is about clearing past life wounds, it is about clearing karmic balances, it is about clearing karmic baggages. So even if both of them are married, it hardly matters, because the person they are with currently is just their karmic partner, and those karmic partners, those karmic bonds are taken care in a highly divine way. So you do not have to think and apply your brains on how will it happen. It will happen as it is destined to, or it will happen as divine has destined it to. The only thing that you need to do on this journey is be on self-love, work on self, and try and understand life more deeply. That is when you both get more closer to your reunion. The water energy over here seems to be really high, so your partner may or may not be a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. People born in November are really high who comes up in this reading. So by October, for some people by October, and for some latest by Feb, expect a closure in your relationship, which will be none other than getting married to each other. And this time your marriage is going to be in a way no eyes would have heard, and no eyes would have seen, and no ears would have heard the kind of reunion you both are getting into. Because एक चीज़ है, the message that I'm getting very strongly, the divine is gonna show up in ways unimagined because of the kind of struggle especially the divine feminine has put into this journey. Not that divine masculine has not been in pain. You both have been in extreme pain, and only you both know what has been going on in the background. And trust me, the divine masculine is all dying to pour out his heart to you and tell what was the reason he behaved with you in such a rude way. But sometimes what happens is what's visible to the eye is not the truth. कभी कभी आपको कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ जाता है कि आप करना नहीं चाहते हो, बट नीड ऑफ द आवर वो होती है. एक देखने का तरीका ये है, और दूसरा तरीका ये है कि दैट इज़ हाउ इट इज़ सपोज टू हैपन. बेसिकली इट इज़ divinely guided. So you should not apply your brains on why things are happening the way they are happening. Just go with the flow is the key in twin flame journey. You will feel broken, you will be in an emotional rut, but then until and unless the time you learn to self-love, you learn to self-respect, and you learn how to grow as a phoenix from the ashes, your reunion is highly impossible. Now let's see what is mystical wisdom cards. These are the beautiful cards and I really love them. So the first card is choices, and look at the beauty of this card. Make the best choice. Okay. And the second one here is Angel of Miracles. Wow, what a relief. Angel of Miracles. भाई हर वो इंसान जो ये सोचता है कि भगवान कहीं हैं और मिरेकल्स क्या होते हैं, सो है दिस कार्ड कम्स टू टेल यू मिरेकल्स होते हैं. सो एक जो ब्रह्मांड का लॉ है ना, दैट हाउ मच यू गेट इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच यू बिलीव. तो हम पहले कार्ड को देखते हैं, चॉइसेस. लेट मी शो इट मोर डीपली टू यू. सो व्हाट इज दिस कार्ड ट्राइंग टू से? इफ यू सी, there is a girl जिसके हाथ में it's like the entire universe is in her hands, right? And there are lot of birds flying all around her hand. So the basic thing here is that the question which has been haunting your mind कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, why I am not able to get reunited to my twin flame, is because lot of people seeing this reading are born to be healers. And I also get this message that from past 2-3 years, you have been in a physical, emotional, and a mental rut, not knowing what to do. But trust me, the entire universe and the entire cosmos has been with you, and your angels have been supporting you like crazy. You might be coming across to angel numbers like 1111, 77777, 3333. These repetitive numbers are a significant presence of angels telling you that they are always present with you and they are always ready to support you. But the question is, how much effort are you willing to put into your self love, the self work which God wants you to do? Because I clearly see that some people who have been on a very strong spiritual journey, though they have learned the art of self love, but 80% काम अभी भी बाकी है. And that 80% work will help you rise like a phoenix from the ashes, and that is when you guys reunite together as a husband and a wife, which you are supposed to this lifetime. So do not wait and do not ignore the signals of the universe, which have now come up to your head and telling you, dude, you need to put yourself into action and push it hard, because it's time for you to manifest everything into reality that you have been looking forward to. Hence, the next card is Angel of Miracles. See a beautiful lady flying with the angel up with her. That this clearly shows, as I said, कि your angels have always been with you. God has always been with you, and trust me, both the divine feminine and the divine masculine are incredibly blessed souls. आप सेपरेशन में तो हो, बट भगवान का हाथ आपके सिर से कभी नहीं हटा है. एंड ऐसा कई बार हुआ होगा कि जब आपको कन्फ्यूजन था कि नहीं भाई, लेट मी मूव ऑन, दिस इज़ नॉट मेंट फॉर मी, गॉड पुल्ड यू बैक अगेन. एंड व्हाट आई कैन फील इज द डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन, especially though the divine feminine is on his mind and on his heart 24/7, but he's trying to run away from her, keeping himself engaged in a lot of work. So if you happen to come across this video, and also a question on his mind that if I go back to her after so many years, will she accept me? So dude, let me tell you one thing, that first of all, she did not forget you even for a single moment. And second, she is waiting more than you can think of. The more than you can think of, she can be waiting for you. And third is the connect that you both share has grown tremendously in these 2-3 years of separation. So भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करो, थोड़ा एक कदम आगे बढ़ाओ तो सही. Then you will see, know that what God has put in store for you. And all the divine feminine, please keep doing all the inner work, the self love, because अब सब कुछ आपके ही हाथ में है. And the only and only key to reunion and twin flame is self healing and self love. So as you get healed, as you develop self love, so does your twin flame, because as again I'm repeating, you both are वन सोल इन टू बॉडीज़. तो अगर आप खुद को हील कर रहे हो तो आपका डिवाइन मास्कुलिन ऑटोमेटिकली हील करेगा. अगर आप खुद से प्यार कर रहे हो, वो भी अपने आप से प्यार करना सीखेगा. सो भाई, डोंट वेट. आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम. पुल अप द सॉक्स एंड शो द वर्ल्ड दैट आस्था है तो बंद द्वार में रास्ता है. Lot of love and light to all the people watching this. Hope you had an amazing time. For any personal readings, you can follow my Instagram ID, which is divinechild7777. You can ping me there directly. And stay tuned with a lot of other videos. Love and light to all listening this. Rab Rakha.